you're back with us! In today's video on situational vocabulary, I'll give you a ride around the different parts of a car. But keep in mind that these words are all used in British English. If you have a car, it is important to know some key words to describe it. Two words that often get confused with one another are bonnet and boot. The boot is the covered space, usually at the back of a car, for storing things, while the bonnet is the metal cover of a car's engine, and in most modern cars it is situated at the front. Let's see how those two words are used in example sentences. I always keep a blanket and a toolkit in the boot for emergencies. Smoke was coming out of the bonnet before the car stopped. You're driving your car in the city center, and at some point somebody overtakes you going above the speed limit. You decided to report this irresponsible behavior to the police and look at the car's number plate. The number plate refers to a sign on a road vehicle that shows its registration number. Here is an example of its use. She could just about read the number plate of the car speeding away from the accident. Your car is in the garage and you're using your dad's old sport car. Pressing on the clutch is a much harder job than your car, and changing gear is not as smooth. The clutch is the part of the car that you press with your foot when you change gear, and the gear is a device that controls how much power from the engine goes to the moving parts of a machine. Let's give an example of their use. To go faster, press the clutch with your foot. Move the gear lever to second position, then let the clutch out. Repeat this process for third, fourth, and fifth gear. Did you know any of these words? What is another very useful word related to cars that everybody should know? Write it in the comments and I'll catch you in the next video.